Hey everybody, if you want to change your actual URL store, you are in the right place. You're going to be doing this with our Shopify store. As you can see here, I'm going to go into the view your store, and this one says Gaia. There's a /5296.myshopify.com. Maybe, and just maybe, I'm not going to be focusing a lot into the .myshopify.com, but I want to change this because I think this is not that professional. So with that being said, I'm going to go into the Shopify dashboard, and here you want to go into settings. So here into settings, as you can see, here is my actual link, and if you look out for your actual store, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. I'm going to leave it like that because the time zone actually is accurate. But here, if I have the basic information, here I want to change the actual store of my name. So let's say that this is your star stuff like this. And here I want to change the legal name. That would be like this. And the store industry, I want to leave it into services and hit into save. There we go. Now I want to go back here. I want to locate the actual domains. Here, as you can see, we have all of these options. Look out for domains, and this is the current domain that I have my actual right now. So I'm gonna hit into change to my new Shopify domain. So here I want to look out for star. Let's say I want to look for something a little bit more easier, like for example LTD. As you can see, it says a store without the URL already exists. So with that being said, I want to change with something stuff like this, and I want to change for LTD, and I want to go into the add domain, and there we go. So as you can see, this is my new primary store. So if I click into the X mark, I click into my online store, and I clicked into the view design, I'm going to just reload this page, and here it says star stuff ltd.myshopify.com. As you can see, it was really easy to do that. So just in case you have any question, guys, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, I will see you next time.